Subong nga aton nga awarding ceremony to give way sa aton nga highlight boss kay dako mga categories boss sa kinahanglan after sa aton nga opening program amo na ang time nga mag-award kita sa tanan nga mga rider of the year for the 2024 of our Panay NX Motocross Series. Overall champion of our 2024 Panay NX or Panay Motocross Series in the year 2024. So please take note, this will be our round 1 of another year of production bikes na ginseparate sa boss ng adlaw kay boss loaded kita sa mga categories na iga-picture natin. So please take note for that, riders and racing team.
Welcome to Smoking and vaping is strictly prohibited in public places, establishments, especially in this area of events. The Iloilo City Anti-Smoking Task Force, deputized agents, ICAS volunteers, and PNP are around to ensure that we are free from secondhand smoking. Festival, Motocross Competition, and Panay NX Series 2025. Panay NX Series 2025. Round 1 would like to thank the following sponsors. Without you, this event wouldn't be possible. Kawasaki Motors Philippines Corporations, Des Marketing, Peasant Construction, Creek Car Wash and Cafe, Moisen Philippines, 5S Construction and Supply, Planet Construction and Supply, Hortinella Construction, Juan Pilas Builders, Virgin Builders, Peasant Construction Services, Alca Construction Services Corporation, Lucky H&K Construction, Mars Garden.
Open for everybody. Ang wala pa mapapabaksin, beyond 1 year. Attention all spectators, viewers, tanan nga pagbuloyo, kaya rin din subok, ginadumilian ang pagpanigurilyo, pagpaggamit sa vape under the city ordinance. Ang aton nga ICAS officers, volunteers, personnel, PNP officers, we will be having our awarding ceremony of our 2024 overall champion of our 2024 Panay Motocross Series. Practice now. Sunod na kamo sa itong racetrack. Any moment from now, we will suspend the practice. Wala na kita practice. So please, sunod na kamo din. Sunod na. After na ma-suspend natin ang ating team practice, opening program will take place. Please take note